In today's video, I'll show you a hidden Premiere Pro trick to create a smooth camera shake effect without touching any keyframes. To start, we need some footage that has a bit of shake. I'm just gonna record my laptop while doing a slow handheld motion and then import that into Premiere Pro. If you wanna follow along, I'll make sure to include this clip in the description. Now, let's also add whatever media we want to apply the shake to. As an example, I'm gonna use this picture of Jinx from Arcane, but you can also use a video, a text, or anything else if you want. Let's place it below our shaky footage and then nest them together. After that, go to the Effects tab and search for the Warp Stabilizer effect. Just apply it to the nested sequence and give it a moment to analyze and stabilize. Once it's done, change the result to no motion and the method to position only. Now let's double-click the nested sequence to open it up and either delete or hide the shaky footage. If we go back to our main sequence, you'll see that the picture we added now has this smooth camera shake effect, which is based on our hand movement. If the shake feels too strong, we can also switch the result to smooth motion and tweak the percentage. For example, here's how it looks at 50% and also at 100%. The coolest part is that you can basically make any kind of shake just using your own hands. The downside though is that you can't really save it as a preset. Normally you'd have to keyframe it manually, which can take a lot of time. But if you don't have time for that, you can check out my Essential Presets pack, which includes shakes and a bunch of other really useful drag and drop presets. The link will be in the description. Anyways, I'll see you in the next tutorial.